Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 49. In the last video, I explained modern periodic law. So according to the modern periodic table, see this way I already explained, but again I say S block first and second group. So group number first to 18, right? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total 18 group. And then period 7. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 period. Okay. And 4 block. S block. First and second in S block. Then third to 12. D block. And then group number 13 to 18. P block. Then last this two series separate downside the periodic table F series. Okay, F block. So 4 types of block S, P, D, F. Okay. Then see one by one name. See Li lithium, Be beryllium, Na sodium, Mg magnesium, K potassium, Ca calcium, Rb rubidium, Sr strontium, Ca cesium, Ba barium, Fr francium, Ra radium, then Sc scandium, Ti titanium, V vanadium, Cr chromium, Mn manganese, Fe iron, Co cobalt, Ni nickel, Cu copper, and Zn zinc. Y yttrium, Z zirconium, Nb niobium, Mo molybdenum, Tc technetium, Ru ruthenium, Rh rhodium, Pd lead, then Ag silver, Cd cadmium, La lanthanum, Hf hafnium, Ta tantalum, W tungsten, Re rhenium, Os osmium, Ir iridium, Pt platinum, Au aurum, that is means gold, Hg mercury, Ac actinium. P block, here you see He helium, B boron, C carbon, N nitrogen, O oxygen, F fluorine, Ne neon, Al aluminium, Si silicon, P phosphorus, S sulfur, Cl chlorine, Ar argon, Ga gallium, Ge germanium, As arsenic, Se selenium, Br bromine, Kr krypton, In indium, Sn tin, Sb antimony, Te tellurium, Ie iodine, Xe xenon, Tl thallium, Pb lead. Here Pd given. So this is the palladium, and here Pb lead. Okay, Bi bismuth, Po polonium, At actinium, and Rn radon. So above 100 you see 100 above you name C, and 101 symbol is Md. Okay, so after 100 above 100 Md mendelevium, No nobelium, Lr lawrencium, Rf rutherfordium, Db dubrium, Sg seaborgium, Bh borium, Hs hassium, Mt meitnerium, Ds dermestadium, Rg rontgenium, Cn copernicium, Nn nihonium, Fl flarovium, Mc moscovium, and then Lv livermorium, and then Ts tennessine, and Og oganesson. Okay, so it is not necessary you have learned Okay, because it is a IUPAC name, official name. Okay, so only for you learn symbol and then starting elements, S block elements and P block elements. Okay, and only for you learn this way elements, name and then atomic number. Okay, S block and then P block. Okay, clear? So it is not necessary you learn completely, because in this year in 11th standard, S block first and second group chapter, S block of these two groups. Okay, and then P block 13, 14, two groups. Okay, so 2 rows of the P block and 2 rows of the S block. So these 4 comes. Okay, so only for you learn this way, but only for your knowledge I explain. Okay, question number problem 3.1 on the basis of the topic, what would be the IUPAC name and the symbol for the element with atomic number 120? Okay, so you already know about 120. 1 means un, 2 means by, and then 0 means nil. Okay, so its symbol and the name respectively UBN. UBN, unbinilium. Okay, its name is unbinilium. So you learn this notation, IUPAC nomenclature, and then you learn this way, name according to the IUPAC name, like 101, 102. Okay, so this atomic number, name according to the IUPAC nomenclature, and then symbol. Okay, it is not necessary you learn official name. Okay, you learn this way only for 1012, 1180. You learn this way. Okay, next topic is electronic configuration, elements and the periodic table. Okay, so I already say principle we have to already learn electron in an atom is characterized by set of the 4 quantum number. Okay, 4 quantum number, so in which the principal quantum number small n defines the main energy level known as shell. Okay, like here nucleus, here shell, each atom surrounded by shell here. Okay, so principal quantum number small n defines the main energy level, so known as shell. Okay, so the filling of the electron in the shell. Okay, so filling of the electrons into the different subshell, so also referred to as orbital, S, P, D and F. Okay, so the distribution of the electron in orbital of an atom is called its electronic configuration. Okay, this is the basic concept. Whenever asking question what is the electronic configuration, so you will directly written 1s2, 2s2, but what is the electronic configuration? This is the main basic concept. So the distribution of the electrons in the orbital of an atom is called its electronic configuration. Okay, maybe your concept clear. Okay, then elements, and you learn only for underline lines. Okay, elements location in the periodic table reflects the quantum numbers and the last orbital field. Okay, clear? So in this section we will observe a direct connection between the electronic configuration of the elements and the long form of the periodic table. So first we have to discuss about electronic configuration in periods. Electronic configuration in period. Period, what is a period? Period indicates the value of n for the outermost of valence shell. So successive period in the periodic table is associated with the filling of the next higher principal energy level, like n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Here you see nucleus. So first shell is equal to n is equal to 1. Second shell is equal to n is equal to 2. Okay, so this way shell system. Then so number of the elements is each period is the twice number of the atoms orbital available in the energy level, like a nucleus. First shell is equal to n is equal to 1. Second shell is equal to n is equal to 2. So electron find the formula 2n square. First shell, so 2 into 1 square, so 2. Okay, second shell, so 2 into 2 square, So 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. Okay. So according to the which formula? 2n square. Okay. So first period n is equal to 1. So start filling of the lowest level 1s and then 2 elements like hydrogen 1s1. Then helium second. Helium has 2 electrons. So 2 electrons fill in the first shell 1s2. So when the first shell K is completed, then second period started with lithium. Okay. So 1s therefore has 2 elements. So first is hydrogen. Hydrogen only 1s1. Then after come helium. Helium is 1s2. Okay. Then after come lithium. So first shell only 2 electron fill. Right. So next after 2 electrons filling third shell. So n is equal to 2 start second period. So one shell only for 2 electron fill. Then whenever lithium comes, the third electron fill in the second 2s orbital. Okay. Then beryllium has 4 electrons. So has the electronic configuration 1s2 and 2s2. Okay. So next electron boron, the 2p orbital are filled with electron when the L shell completed at neon, and neon is 10. So 2 in first shell, second one is 8, and then okay, so 10 electron complete. So that is means neon is 2s2 and 2p 6. There are 8 elements in the second period. So the third period begins at sodium and added electrons enter a 3s orbital. Okay, so generally we have to example here. You see atomic number given 3, 11, 19, 37, 55 and 87. So 3 atomic number here lithium. So electronic configuration is 1s2 and 2s1. Okay. 11 sodium. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Total 2, 4, 6, 10 and 1. 11 total complete. Okay. Then 19. Atomic number of potassium K. So 19, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. So total count 19 complete. Okay. So first one come 1s, first shell only for 1s, second 2s, 2p, third 3s, 3p and 3d, and then 4s, 4p, 4d and then 4f. Okay, so this type of electron, this one. Okay. First fill 1s, second electron fill in the 2s. Whenever 2s complete, then filling 2p. Electron fill completely, then electron going to the 3s, then 3p, then 3d, then 4s, 4p, 4d and then 4f. This way sequence of the electron filling. Okay. So successive filling of 3s 3p orbital gives rise to the third period of the 8th element from sodium to argon. Here we see sodium. Okay. Then fourth period n is equal to fourth start at potassium and add electron fill up the 4s orbital. Okay. Here you see lithium 2s1 last electrons, in sodium 3s last, potassium last is 4s, rubidium last is 5s, cesium is last the 6s and francium is last the 7s1. Okay, clear? So whenever 3d orbital filled, so become the energetic bulk favorable, we have to say 3d transition series, and it is this concept in detail wise we have to study. We will be study in 12th standard, so don't worry. Okay, here only for concept wise given. Okay, scandium Sc, Z is equal to 21. Z is symbol is atomic number, so 21. So its configuration 3d1 4s2, because 3d before 3d 18 complete, so 19 20 21. Okay, so 3d orbitals are filled at zinc, Z is equal to 30, and with electronic configuration 3d10 4s2. Okay, and whenever electron going to the 4d, so 4d transition series, and 4d transition series at yttrium Z is equal to 39, and this period end at xenon with the filling up of the 5p orbital. Okay, then after F block element, you see here, you see F block elements. F block element, here you see cerium 58 to 71 Lu. Second F block series, thorium to start, and then last lawrencium 103 90 to 103. Okay, so and D block element, here you see scandium Sc 3d. So electron filling to the 3d, so this is the 3d series. 4d electron filling, so 4d series. 5d electron filling the 5d, so 5d transition series. Electron filling 6d, so 6d transition series. So all D block elements. Or here you see 4f, it is a 4f transition series. 5f, so 5f transition series. So electron filling which shell? Okay, so on the basis of the shell, we have to say its name. Okay, so 4f inner series transition series, which have called lanthanoid series. Okay, and then when after 7th period successive filling up of the 5f 6d and 7p, so includes all our main mad radioactive elements, and this period will be end at the last element number of the 112. Okay, and this is which what belong to the noble gas family 118. Okay, filling up 5f orbital, so start Z is equal to 89, so gives the 5f inner transition series. So 5f transition series, so it is known as actinoid series. Okay, and 4f and 5f inner transition series of the elements are placed separately in the periodic table to maintain the structure and preserve the principle of classification by keeping elements with similar properties in a single column. So problem 3.2 on the basis of the topic, how would you justify the presence of the 18th elements in the 5th period of the periodic table? 5th period, that is means small n is equal to 5. Okay, so 5 yani 5th shell. So here order of the energy of the available orbital, because 5th orbital, that is means 5s, then 4d, then 5p. Okay, so energy of the applicable available orbital this way. So total number of the orbitals available here 9. Okay, because 5th period. Okay, so maximum number of the electron accommodated is 18. Okay, because 5th number cell, and therefore 18 elements are there in the 5th period. Okay, so n is equal to 5, so L is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0 start, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so total the order in the which the energy of the available orbital 4d, 5s and 5e, so increases s, then d and then p. Okay, then group wise electronic configuration. Group wise electron configuration, that is means we have to directly write directly group. Okay, see, this is the group wise electron configuration. Like here you see 1s2 2s1, so 1s2 2s1, so last valence shell written last way, but initially 1s2, so 1s2 equal to the helium noble gas, so in group wise He2s1. Then after sodium is 11, last shell is 3s1, so 1s2 2s2 2p6, so it is a 10 electrons, and 10 electrons equal to the neon gas. Okay, then after potassium is 19 and it's 19 electrons, so 18 is argon. Okay, so this one 18 and 4s1 in the last shell. So last shell is a noble gas represent grouping wise electronic configuration keep. Okay, so S block P block and D block and F block. So classify the elements into 4 blocks, S block and P block and D block and F block. Okay, and according to the atomic orbitals, depending on the type of atomic orbitals that are being filled with electrons. Okay, clear? S block, helium belongs to the S block, but its positioning in the P block along with the other group 18 elements, because it has completely filled valence shell. Okay, so exhibit properties, characters, also other noble gas. Okay, other exception is hydrogen. So first exception is helium, He. Okay, so property similar to the helium belongs to the S block because 1s2 S group, S electronic configuration, but it's proper completely filled valence shell, so it is referred to the S block, belongs to the, but along with the group other group 18 element. Reason, because it's characteristics of the other noble gases. Second exception is hydrogen, H. Only one S here, this is helium 1s2 and hydrogen 1s. So placed in the group first because its properties alkali metals, and it can also gain an electron to achieve a noble gas arrangement. Okay, whenever it one electron accept, so it can achieve a noble gas arrangement, so it can behave similar to the group 17 halogen family because it is a special case. Okay, so hydrogen, so that is reason separately at top the periodic table. So this is the main important basic concept, why hydrogen placed separately, because its property similar to the alkali metals and same as a halogen. Okay, but 1s2 its configuration. Okay, and then also property similar from halogen family, so separately set at the top of the periodic table. Okay, and electronic configuration and types of the element S, P, D and F. This is the build up the off bow, which of the principle, off bow principle, and it is off bow principle, and the electronic configuration of the atoms provide a theoretical foundation for the periodic classification. Okay, so vertical column and then rows way. Okay, so S block, P block and D block and F block. Okay, so 4 blocks and then 2 exception, helium and hydrogen. Helium according to the electronic configuration S block elements, but its properties according to the noble gas, so put into the 18th group. Hydrogen is also an exception because it's only one S electron and can be placed in group first, and it can also gain an electron to achieve a noble gas configuration, but behavior similar to the group 17 halogen family. So because it is a special case, so we place hydrogen separately at top of the periodic table. Okay, clear? So one by one I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much. So today completely explain a shell, orbital, electronic configuration and transition series. So again by diagram I explain. Here you see this is the S block 2. Okay, then this is the D block, this is the P block completely 13 to 18. Okay, first and second S block, and then 3rd to 12 D block, and here 13 to 18 P block, and here you see 57 after 72 directly come. So that is means 57 between 72, 58 to 71. It is a F block series. Then next one 89 to 112, but 89 to 104 between element is actinoid. 90 to 103. Okay, this is the F block series. This is the electron fill in the 4F. So 4F series transition series, and electron fill in the 5F. So 5F transition series. So 2 series consider in F block elements, and inner way, so its name is inner transition element. F inner transition element, and D block is transition element. Okay, clear? And in the 11th standard, only 4 chapter of S block, 2 groups, first and second, and then P block, 2 groups. Okay, 13 and 14. Clear? And in 12th standard, we will be studied D block element complete, and then 15 to 18 P block element, and then F block series. So these study in 12th standard. So here only 11th standard, S block, and then P block, 2 groups, 13 and 14. Okay, next topic I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much.